Hello, I'm gonna be showing off some good fishing lures and what they're good for. So the first one today, these little things right here, little plastic worms or something, good for crappie, perch. Yeah, right here. They're kind of blue and blackish. So there's that one, and pretty much the same, but they're a little different color. It's that. And like these and all that. You know, the stem kind of like look like this. Oh yeah, and these right there, these will catch crappie and bass, probably bass, rock bass. Right here, there's orange and it has kind of a neon tail, good for a creek. Catch pretty big bluegill perch out there. And like these, they're red. They're like the same thing, but the top's right there. So, and the black. Oh, here's one of our best ones. If I can get it out. These crawdads. Now they have a lot of hooks on them, but they're really good. They're really good. They'll catch about any fish, except for, well, any fish that you do in a creek or pond or anything. Here's the big ones in like this, or kind of different color, you know. Get the bigger ones, or there's littler ones too, see, compared to that. And some power bait, it stinks. They smell pretty bad. And these little they kind of look like minnows. They're really good for crappie because they like it, and it would work for bass and all that. Oh, here's one of our best baits right here. These green tubes take a lot of rock bass, big perch, and smallmouth, and all them. The best ones to use. And like these tadpoles, good for crappie and bass and topwater bait. Right here. They're kind of hard to get off.
I was Googling the other day, and you can rent them. And I want to do it.
Like these. Get smallmouth, largemouth. These things. Got a couple more of them. And one work really good. At the creek, you'd probably want to get the littler ones. You don't want the big ones because they ain't as big as bass as the lake as a creek. So the little ones like this, or like this, the blue, and these and all that. And these little minnow things, I got a lot of them. Bass, perch, probably perch. Crappie too, they like. And last but not least, rooster tails.